If I gave you $1,000 to invest right now, where would you have put it? In a 401k, a Roth IRA, or perhaps a brokerage account? Here's the hard truth. Investing isn't just about what you invest in, but where you invest first. Choosing the right accounts in the right order can mean the difference between retiring early and working longer than you need. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact order you should invest in, starting with pre-tax advantage account, then moving to after-tax advantage account, and finally, your brokerage account. Let's get this started. The first place you should invest is in your pre-tax advantage account. These accounts allow you to invest money before taxes are taken out, lowering your taxable income and letting your investment grow tax-deferred until you withdraw from them later. Here's where to start. If your employer offers a 401k match, this is first priority. A 401k lets you invest pre-tax dollars, reducing your taxable income now. But the real kicker? Employee match contribution. Let's say your employer match 100% of your contribution up to 5% of your salary. If you earn $50,000 a year, that's $2,500 of free money to leave behind if you don't contribute. Next up is the HSA, or Health Savings Account, which is hand down one of the most powerful investment accounts available. Why? Because it gives you triple tax advantage. Your contributions are tax deductible, investments grow tax-free, and withdrawals for qualified medical expenses are tax-free. And here's the secret. If you don't use your health savings account fund for medical expenses, once you turn 65, you can withdraw the money from anything just like a 401k. Now, if you don't have access to a 401k, or you just want to invest even more pre-tax money, a traditional IRA is your next move. Contributions are tax deductible and your investment grow tax deferred until retirement. Once you've taken full advantage of pre-tax accounts, it's time to shift to after-tax accounts where you pay taxes now but enjoy tax-free growth withdrawal later. The Roth IRA is a game changer. Unlike a traditional IRA, you contribute after-tax money, but in return, your investment grows tax-free and withdrawals in retirement are completely tax-free. This is perfect if you expect to be in a higher tax bracket in the future. And since you can withdraw your contribution anytime without penalties, it also gives you flexibility. If your employer offers a Roth 401k, this is another option, especially if you're in a lower tax bracket now and want to lock in tax-free withdrawal later. Unlike a Roth IRA, there are no income limits and you can contribute up to $22,500 per year. Now that you max out your tax advantage accounts, it's time for a taxable brokerage account. This is where you can invest in stocks, ETFs, and other assets without any contribution limits. But remember, you'll pay capital gains tax on your profits. If you already max out your 401k, IRA, and HSA, a brokerage account is your next best bet. There are no contribution limits, and you can access your money at any time, making it great for early retirement or big purchases. Alright, let's do a quick recap on this correct order to invest your money. Step 1, contribute enough to your 401k to get the full employer match. Step 2, max out your health savings account if eligible. Step 3, max out a traditional IRA if it makes sense for your taxes. Step 4, max out a Roth IRA for tax-free growth. Step 5, if available, contribute to a Roth 401k. Step 6, invest any extra money into a taxable brokerage account. This order ensures you get the best tax advantages while building your wealth as efficient as possible. If you find this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more investing and personal finance content. And let me know in the comments where you are investing first. Let's build this financial future together.